18 years old, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
Good evening, everyone. I am 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, 21 years old, currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Good evening, everyone. My name is 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, 24, currently working as a modern trade developer at the Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated.
Good evening, everybody. I am 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, 22, studying Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Maayong gabi sa tanan. Kamusta? My name is Miss Cebu, 22, taking a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, major in Law and Policy Studies.
Good evening, everyone. I am 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. I am 18 years old and I am a grade 12 student.
Good evening, everyone. I am 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. I am 23 years old, a mathematics graduate with a degree in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
Good evening, everyone. I am 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, 19 years old, taking a Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Good evening, everyone. I am 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, 20 years old, taking up Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting.
Good evening, everyone. My name is 𝗢𝗳𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, 21 years old, currently a graduating student taking a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering.